joined by Shweta Rajani, Head Mutual Fund, Anand Rathi Wealth. Shweta, hi, good evening. Welcome to the show. Shweta, let's begin with an email question, which is from Dr. Singla. And he says that he's got two SIPs of 15,000 per month, and each is for 10 years. Okay, so daughter's education 20 years per month for 10 years is what he's saying. That is one requirement, and one is for himself. I think for retirement, that is what he wants to begin. So two SIPs, one for daughter education and one for his retirement.
Super. Good evening, Dr. Singla. Okay, so there are two goals here. I would say, since your horizon is long term, first, I would say, if you continue with your 15,000 plus 15,000, which is a 30,000 in all SIP, looking at the historical track record of equity and debt, because you'll do a combination of two, you will end up with somewhere around 65 to 70 lakhs of a goal value. Which may not be sufficient to meet both your objectives. So reconsider. If not, I would say a 10 to 15% step up in the SIP may be required. Just to give you an example, if you do a 10% step up, you'll get to a goal value of around 1 crore. Since the horizon is long term, we've seen generally for this kind of horizon a 75 to 80% equity in the residual in debt or arbitrage works as a good asset allocation combination to go ahead with. Just for the equity allocation of the portfolio, some schemes that I would suggest that you start off with an HDFC Flexi Cap, DSP Equity Opportunities, Kotak Emerging, Invesco Small Cap, and you can have an ICICI Pru Dividend Yield Fund. So this will bring in the required diversification for the portfolio.
All right, let's take up other question from email again. That is, this is Mahesh, and he wants you to review his portfolio. Portfolio details, I think you have ICICI Pru Blue Chip. He's got Parag Parikh Flexi Cap. He's got HDFC Multi Cap also, Motilal Oswal Mid Cap, Quant Small Cap. 10 years time horizon, 60K is what he's putting in, and 10 years, 3 CR target. Shweta.
So Mahesh, here again, just looking at the SIP value that you are investing, there's going to be a huge gap of, the goal of 3 crores versus what can be achieved. So what would be required is you do a 20% step up to the SIP every year to be comfortable towards getting to your 3 crores of goal. In terms of how your portfolio is split today, if I look at the market cap split, it's well positioned with almost 50-55% large and the residual in mid and small. However, from a scheme perspective, I would suggest some changes to you. So I suggest you stop your SIP in Parag Parikh Flexi Cap, in HDFC Multi Cap, and the Quant Small Cap Fund. Instead, what you can add to your portfolio is, I would suggest an ICICI Pru Focus Equity, SBI Large and Mid, and a Canara Robeco Multi-Cap Fund. That's 3 changes to your portfolio.
All right, and with that, it's time up on the show today, Shweta. Thank you so much for taking time out and helping our viewers with their financial portfolio. And for all our viewers, all you have to do is just send across your questions on our WhatsApp number and email ID. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.